Welcome to Choose Authentic Hong Kong Food, where we show you all sorts of wonderful things. Today we found a cicada out
Mm-hmm.
we found it outside the balcony.
Yep.
A live cicada.
Live cicada. Nice. This guy was noisy when we got him.
You want to come and join me?
I wonder if we open this.
He'll fly.
He'll fly away. That's okay. They're harmless. I don't think they.
They don't sting.
I don't think they sting or bite or anything like that. Beautiful creatures. It was making.
I don't think so. I've caught one before.
Well,
I told you.
Can I have that?
I told you I've caught one before. In the
Caught one before?
Philippines.
Yeah. Okay. I just want to film it. So
Are you
if
sure?
you take off that slowly. Oh, perfect. Good job. Okay, don't move. Perfect. Look at how beautiful this guy is.
The wings, this eye.
Don't poke him. Wow, look at how beautiful. That's a cicada. Nice. Oh, wait, boy.
Don't scare him. I love the wings.
He's so beautiful. Look at him. Hey, boy. You don't know he's alive. Nice. Okay. So, some photos of this guy. Okay, why don't you slowly spin the paper around so I can film him. Yep. Keep it in one place. See, 冇喐佢 back and forth. Just try to spin the paper. That's it. Okay, stop. Look at the back. Okay, spin it a little bit more. Yep. Wow. Look at it. Stop. Look at that. He's alive. This guy's. Look at this pattern on his back. He is absolutely. Wait, my camera is shaking too much. Let me just stop. Don't touch the camera. Okay. Now look at, he is one awesome looking dude.
The wings, the eyes.
Yeah, wow. Zoom in, hang on. Zoom in a little bit more. Look at the back. How beautiful this back is. It's like a movie. Okay, spin him a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, stop. Pull it towards you. Perfect. So that's his side. Just gonna stop this here. Wait, camera. Okay, look. See that? Look at the beautiful wings. That's the body. Okay. Okay, that's the head. Okay, nope, let me show the whole thing first. That's the wings. It's wings. It's legs, show the legs. Beautiful. Okay, show me the front. A little bit more. Stop. Perfect. Okay, stop vibrating. Okay, that's the front of the cicada. That's the front of the cicada. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful animal. Look at that. Look at that baby. Got his legs. Look at, zoom into his legs. Each leg has a little claw. And that's his face. That's his wings. You can see his beautiful wings. Okay, can you spin the face towards me a little bit more? Perfect. Perfect. Stop. That's it. That's his face. I don't think they have mouths, so I don't think they eat. Look how calm this guy is. He is alive. His guy's not dead. He is calm. He is one calm dude. Okay, spin around again. See the other side. Okay, stop. And this guy. It's the wings. The wings has this gold color. Really amazing, right, Colin? What do you think, Colin?
Yeah. It's
Okay, stop there, stop there. Okay, he's moving. But he's very gentle, he's very calm. Can we turn the light up a little bit?
oh, he's nice.
That's nice. Nice. Right, zoom out a little bit. Oh, look at the tail, the colors on the wings. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, show me the back side again. Okay, stop. That's his bottom. His head. Amazing, amazing. Okay. Nice. So, Colin, you're doing a good job. You excited to see him?
Yep.
This guy is cute. And he is fully alive. Can you keep spinning him around a little bit more? Yep. Can you pull it towards you? Stop. Oh, there it is. He's there. The tail's got beautiful, like gold color on the tail. Oops. Nice. These arms of his. Okay, spin his head towards me again. I want to look at that head one more time. Stop. Perfect. Wow, look at that face. That is one beautiful face. The eyes are on both sides. The legs. The legs are like this. 6 legs like other insects. 3 pairs. Camera, stop shaking. Beautiful. Beautiful looking boy. You go somewhere else today. Can you hold this? So we got our live cicada here, and what are we gonna do? I think we're gonna let him go soon. Got some filming. Let's see. Do you want to do something with it? We want to make it see if it can make some noise. Hold on.
Okay. Why don't you come?
Huh?
Yeah.
I don't know what he's gonna do though.
Do you want to come?
Let me just make sure the camera is on. Hey, stop. Okay, turn him. Yep. Let's see if the camera is filming.
How are you?
The camera's in the wrong place. Hang on.
You try.
Hey, I said no, not here. Okay.
You want to try?
So what should we do with him?
Why don't you try to?
So I just want to make him make his noise. I don't know. What should we do?
I don't know.
Should
Just
we?
don't.
I don't know what to do with him.
Okay,
Just give him a gentle touch. Okay.
he's not making that sound.
So making the sound.
Nobody's.
Anyway, he's very calm.
Yeah.
There you go. He made the noise. Make the noise.
Yeah.
He made the noise. Nice. Put him back on the paper. Push him back onto the paper with the other hand. No, not like that. Hey boy. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Now he's climbed up on my hand. Can the camera see this? Now he's climbed up on my hand. He's so nice. He's so cute. Look at this. So you're gonna make the noise, Duty? I want you to make the noise. Whoa! I don't know so the camera saw that. He just weed. Did you see that? It's like a stream of wee. Did you see it?
Yeah.
It's. You look at this. Did he get you?
Mm-mm.
Okay, can you come here. Hold up the paper and show the screen. He just read on the paper. Yeah. You just read on the paper. I don't know the screen. See this water drops on this paper? This guy just sprayed something out of his body sideways. It went sideways, right? It went that way. Do you see it?
Yeah.
And then he just, I don't know if the camera captured that wee right then. I'm not sure why he sprayed some water out. Maybe it's defense. Let me just smell this stuff.
It's not.
It's got no smell. The thing's got no smell. He just sprayed something out from his body. Maybe he weed. What, you scared?
No.
Okay, hi Colin. We got our cicada here. Camera. This side. Say hi to the camera. So what we gonna do? You just read on our paper. And the cicada. That's the first. I hope we got that on camera. Cicada. This really strong stream. Do you see that stream? It's a really strong stream of wee came out, or water, or whatever it is. Doesn't smell. Let's give it a smell. Has no strong smell, so it's not a defense. Because sometimes these insects have a strong defense. I just want him to make the noise. He's not making the noise.
I can try.
Okay. You want to try to make him make? Can you just? Okay, let me just show the camera where he is.
No, if I cover him and he's gonna.
He's gonna wee again.
No, he's gonna go crazy.
Yeah, he doesn't like being covered, but he's out and he's quite happy right now. So my finger. Just want to make sure we
Did he get you? Or not?
No, the wee didn't get me. But I wonder why he weed. Is it wee or, you know? Okay, try. Gentle. I just want to keep my finger in the camera, okay? See if he will make the noise. Whoa. Actually, it's really loud. It's kind of scary. It's kind of scary. I know they don't bite. I don't think they have. Okay, hang on. I want to. Can you zoom into his mouth right now from the? Just step over. I want to see the camera to see his mouth here. Should I move or not move?
Okay. Can you see? Wow. Come here.
I cannot move.
I can move.
Yeah.
Okay.
Zoom in as much as you can to the mouth.
That's how far
Yeah, can you see it?
Yeah.
I mean this part, can you see it? Yeah?
Yeah.
That's it.
Can you move down? Your hand
Down,
is
down. Is that better?
Yeah. Stop. Yes. Perfect. Wow.
Is it good?
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, I want to see it. Okay, zoom in. Hey, let me see if I can get in the camera. Don't move the camera. Don't move the camera.
It's so cool.
Where's my finger? Oh, here we go.
So cool. You should see it.
Here we go. That's his face. Not too close. Yeah, that's his face. There we go.
I'll just see.
That is so cool. Look at that.
I know.
Zoom out a little bit. That's the face of a cicada. But you haven't seen that on the YouTube.
Yeah.
There we go. Here we go. That's the face of a cicada.
I'm trying to try it.
Yeah.
Don't be frightened if it
I know.
makes noise.
It's so noisy. It's so scary when he makes that
Just
noise.
try. Okay.
Very gentle. But I'm so scared. That noise he makes is so. Whoa, 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 whoa! He's coming towards my hand. I don't want him to come up towards my hand.
It's okay.
Okay.
This ain't a cop.
Wait. I need something to. It's okay. It's okay. I can handle him. I have a little stick here to prevent him to. Oh man, it's so noisy. It's so scary. Okay, I'm just gonna block him here so in case he comes up. Oh, dude, he did it. Touch the wing again. Oh wow. Okay, he turned around. Good. Good.
But the weed's got.
Yeah, he weed. He literally weed.
Yeah.
I really hope we got that on camera. Nice.
Oh.
Okay, I want to zoom in. Hang on. And then when you touch him, I'll see if the camera can capture him making that noise. Okay, hang on. Okay, this is not right. Okay. Zoom in. I'm trying to do this camera by myself. It's difficult.
Do you need my help or no?
No, you just, okay, hang on. Zoom out a little bit. Let's go forward. Okay, now we're on the screen. Okay, try to tap him gently to make the noise. Whoa, do it again. Nice, where's that noise coming from? Okay, do it again. Nice. Nice.
I wonder what.
But if you touch the head, he doesn't make the noise, right? Only if you touch the...
Yeah.
You know what?
You try to touch it.
With what? My thumb?
Yeah.
No, I just barely touch him, just like super gentle, and then he'll make the noise. But if you touch the head part, he doesn't make it. Well, maybe he doesn't like my thumb. Why you run away, Colin? Colin has ran away already.
No, if it flies towards either one of us.
Yeah, but I heard they don't have mouths. I don't know. I gotta research. I heard they don't.
It's in Thailand.
Yeah. Okay, let's do the noise again one more time. Gentle, very gentle. Okay.
Is he stuck the?
No, he's okay. He's pretty good. Okay, he's not making a noise anymore. But you saw. Oh yeah, if you touch the wing, he'll make the noise. That's so funny. If you touch the wing. Wait. Let me show the camera first. Okay. Wait. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, where is he? Okay.
Your part is.
If you touch the wing. Whoa! Okay, no big deal. He's just on the floor. We're gonna catch him. He's just on the floor. He'll climb up. No, you just put your hand. Let him climb up on your hand.
Your hand.
Okay, my hand. Come on, boy. There he goes. He's back up on my hand. Good. Okay. So nothing hurt. He's back. He just went on the floor and then he climbed right back up on my hand. Oh. No, I tell you these guys aren't harmful. So apparently they don't have even mouths. I don't think they even eat or bite or sting or do anything. They just make a lot of noise. Should we let him go?
Can you
No, I just put them outside with my hand.
Okay.
Okay, let me stop the video. Say bye. We're not gonna shoot him. Then we go. One more sound. One more sound. Gentle. Oh, no more sound. All right. Say. Nice.
Okay.
So,
bye for now.
bye.
Remember,
Bye.
like, comment, and
Oh,
subscribe.
you gotta see your face. Hang on. You can say that again.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
This is the Cicada. Cool.